Assalamu alaikum kids, it's Halal Hands. Welcome to the Easy Beginner's Guide to Islam, where we tell you some simple things about Islam in a beautiful and fun, easy way. So you ready? Then let's begin! What is Islam? Islam is a religion that teaches people to be kind, honest, helpful, and respectful. People who follow Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe in one God, Allah. Allah created the world, the animals, the oceans, the sky, and all of us. Muslims also believe that Allah sent prophets to teach people how to live good lives. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The last prophet in Islam is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muslims love and respect him very much because he taught kindness, patience, sharing and caring with others. He reminded people to help the poor, tell the truth, and be good to family and friends. The Quran. Muslims read a special book called the Quran. The Quran teaches Muslims how to live in a good and peaceful way. Many Muslims read the Quran every day and learn from its beautiful messages. The 5 pillars of Islam. Islam has 5 important things called the 5 pillars of Islam. Shahada, believing in one God and His Prophet. Salah, praying 5 times a day. Zakah, giving to the people in need. Saum, fasting in Ramadan. And Hajj, visiting the city of Mecca to perform a pilgrimage if possible. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid. Families eat delicious food, wear nice clothes, give gifts, and spend time together. Whoa, that was a lot of things that now you know about Islam. So as you can see, Islam teaches peace, kindness, and respect, and caring for others every day. So thank you for watching. Share this with someone else if you think this will help them. And by the way, Assalamu alaikum, it's Halal Hands.